Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use a manual transmission, for example, in an Audi A1 Sportback. So, let's go. Sit down at the driver's seat. Then you have to push one of the three pedals over there. At the right side, it's a steering pedal. In the center, it's the brake pedal. And on the left side, it's the clutch pedal. Now press and hold the clutch pedal and then start the ignition. Okay, if you are shifting to neutral, you have an H-style manual transmission over there. And if you are going to set in the center of the switch position of your manual transmission, you are going to do releasing the clutch pedal, of course, and your car will be ready to drive. The engine is still running, but you are not going to drive because no gear is shifted, okay? And now, if you're going to start your driving quest, you have to press the clutch pedal down, hold it a little bit, and then you have to shift to gear number 1. Gear number 1 is on the left side and on the upper side. And if you're going to the reverse gear, you have to push the pedal down and then push the stick down and go on the left side to the rear gear. But now let's drive forward. You start with gear number 1, then release the clutch pedal, and your car will immediately start driving. And if your rounds per second or per minute are until 2,000 rounds, you have to shift to gear 2, and so on until 3, 4, and 5. This is a way to drive your car. Okay, let's try this. We shifted to gear 1 and we are releasing the clutch pedal a little bit and we are starting to drive. At the same time, we're going to the acceleration pedal on the right side with the right feet, and then you are going to drive faster, of course. If you are driving and you like to gear to shift to gear number 2, press the clutch pedal, then shift to gear 2, release the clutch pedal, and then go and continue driving. If you like to stop your car, you have to press the clutch pedal down, hold it, and then wait a little bit. And if the traffic light is maybe green, you can release the clutch pedal a little bit and drive again. At the same time, if you are releasing the clutch pedal, you can press with the right feet the acceleration pedal, and then your car will going faster in the forward way, okay? So now, as you can see, we are shifting down to shift number 2, and we are going to drive forward, and we are driving now 50 or 30 kilometers per hour. So now let's shift to number 4, and that's up display in front of you. There is the gear setting. Now we are in gear number 3. This is information for you. You do not have to look to the right side. You only have to look in the heads-up display. Easy going, as you can see. And if there are some triangles, if the triangle is looking up, your engine are ready to shift to the next gear. And if the triangle is going down, you have to gear to the down or upper gear. Sorry, no, if your rounds per second are too low, like 1,000 rounds per minute, then you have to gear down to the next gear. And if your rounds per minute are 2,000, you have to lift up a little bit. So, okay, again, if you like to drive your car, press your clutch pedal, then shift to gear number 1, release it slowly, and your car will automatically start driving. You have to steer, of course, okay? And if you like to go faster, you have to press the acceleration, the speed up pedal on the right side. The brake pedal is for braking, of course. And use your clutch pedal with your left feet, and the brake and the acceleration pedal with your right feet, as you can see. So that it is easy-going manual transmission using inside your car. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.